everybody, welcome back to the farm. Today's baling day. Last beautiful day for who knows how long, you know. Got a nice breeze going today, the sun's out. Got the rig here behind me, what we're baling with today. We got the open station 5140, our new Holland 570, and of course just a hay wagon. People call them rack wagons, whatever you want to call it. We just did the small field back up there, and that's all we got off of it. The counter says 67, so that's a little disappointing. Normally we would do about 100 out of that field. Those are about 45 pound bales right there is what we're doing. So normally that wagon, they usually hold about 120 when they're full, so it would be 3/4 full coming out of that one field. So I know this field is going to be way down because this field was shorter, sorry about the wind, was shorter than that one over there. I could have let them grow a little longer, but again, as I said in the previous video, I was just worried about not having another stretch of dry weather to be able to do any hay, and I'm almost out. So we got new tires on the 5140 here, so we're pulling pretty good. They kind of dried out now, but the annoying thing is on some of these spots, that field that's up there has no wet spots in it whatsoever. This field that we're in has a couple spots that sometimes get a little wet, and there was a little moisture coming up on the tires up in that field. I mean, big boulders underneath it and stuff, so I think we would need about 2 to 3 weeks of warm, sunny weather without any rain to actually dry out to where we're supposed to be, and we know that's not going to happen. So anyway, that's what we're doing here today. I do have a couple minor problems with the baler. It has the electronic thrower on it, so you can change how far it throws, and it doesn't really want to move good. I just looked down at it there. It's got some rust on it, so probably just clean that up. But I'm getting a vibration here in the drive line, and it's not all the time, so I don't know what in the world's going on here. This thing here seems kind of loose, but I think I've tried to tighten in the past, and there's a bushing down there, and it only lets you go so far. So I'll have to look at that again. And then these stupid covers, they have so much play in them. I wish this had plastic covers on it, so I don't know what's causing it. I shook all the U-joints and they all seem real tight, so I'm not sure what it is. I'm just going to try and get through today, you know, one of those things. So anyway, I'm going to throw the camera up here on the back. We'll do some baling, and hope you enjoy the footage. so there you have it. Hopefully the wind's not bothering the camera too much. We're all done here. Got the little triangle all done. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of baling from the side. Kind of an oddball shape. There's not really a good way to do it, and there's absolutely no room in here to be turning around with a wagon. So that does it for baling today. I had that field there. We got seeded. There's some videos on that. I'm not sure which order stuff's coming out. So I had that to do during the nice weather, and this is the first time I baled this year, so I had all the equipment to kind of get ready. There's some things on this baler that have to be fixed, so I didn't drop as many acres as I wanted to, but I'm glad I didn't. You know, just I still got to go put this hay away yet. So the grand total is, let's see if you guys can see that, a measly 220 bales. Now for covering the ground that we covered, that number should be over 300. We've had a lot of rain, but practically no heat to go with it. And again, as I mentioned several times, the hay, it was a little early. I could have waited like 2 more weeks, would have been perfect. It would have had some more growth to it and not been old yet. But I was afraid with the weather I just wouldn't get anything, and I'm almost out of hay. So I take the loss. It's at least 80 bales, but what can you do? It's that or nothing, I guess, right? So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Finally getting to do hay. It's going to rain again. We'll be back in the garage. So leave your questions, comments down below. Thumbs up, please. Hit the subscribe, the little bell icon thing, so you don't miss any of the videos that we got coming up. A lot of cool stuff. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.